What's in the box? What's in the box? Greetings and salutations, you love with the generous. Welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host, Corey. Today we got another unboxing type video, which you already know what it is, because you saw the title. But, you know, these are fun. So, you didn't really understand what it was. I found these Snapon, you know, the tool. They made tiki mugs. I don't know if they were like a, you bought so much they gave them to you or what. Because I know they have like other old-fashioned glasses and all kinds of knick-knack stuff, which is, and maybe they're giveaways. I don't know. I happened to find these on eBay for about $50, so it wasn't too bad. Plus, you know, as I'm kind of diving into tiki, I, you know, need some mugs. I've got a few mugs that I don't want to really drink out of. They're more decorative. I need some that are just have some fun with. And I definitely see the rabbit hole of, you know, finding tiki mugs and go, the whole search. Because I mean, heck, to buy vinyl and stuff like that. I mean, that's. I'm not sure how well finding tiki mugs in the wild are here, but I do know a lot of vintage ones are very expensive on eBay, but so are the records. With that being said, let's unbox these and hopefully none of them are broke. We got tubes. One tiki mug, ah ha ha. Two tiki mugs, ah ha ha. 3 tiki mugs, ah ha ha ha. 4 tiki mugs. All right, are they all the same? Yeah, they all look the same. All right, so apparently they all are identical, which is fine. You know, if you have a party with a couple of people, you all have some tiki mugs. You probably wouldn't feel bad if they broke one of these compared to, you know, your classic ones. They all seem pretty standard. We should get one of these cleaned up so we can make a cocktail out, because might as well. I've been diving in this tiki world and trying to learn, and let's make another one. Now we're gonna make one out of the Beachbum Berries Remixed book. It's called a Sven Tiki, and that's supposed to be poured in that tiki mug. And I looked up one on eBay, and it was like $120, and I'm like, yeah, I'll pour it one of mine here, but you know, because it's going to taste the same regardless. All right, well, let's do the wipey while I clean one of these bad boys up. Ooh, those are the ones already chipped. I mean, it's not that end of the world. These aren't like collectible. I didn't realize they had Snap-on on there. But that's fine. These things are made to be drinking out of. So let's build the drink first. All right. Oh, I actually got some pebble ice. Oh. Okay. All right. As I'm learning these tiki drinks, they're a little more complicated. Most of the drinks I have are usually like 3 ingredients, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a special mug and special ice, and 2 ways of mixing it. So let's just start at the top. So we got 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, 1 ounce of Grenedine, 1 ounce of Dark Jamaican Rum, And this is another rabbit hole in the tiki world of dark rums, and I'm still trying to figure out, because some of these are dark because they've been in a barrel, some are dark because they have caramel coloring and they don't have the same regulations that whiskey does when it comes to that stuff. And some of them are, this is considered dark, but there's something like black rums. It's like, I'm trying to learn it and I'm just, my head hurts. Maybe I need to go back to whiskey. With that being said, 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum. 2 ounces of light Virgin Island rum. I don't think this is Virgin Island rum. Some of these, I don't know if you can tell the difference or not. Some people say they can. My palate's probably not there. So I think this will probably be fine. There's just so much fruit juice in here that probably not going to matter. Anyway, 2 ounces of white rum. It's shaking time. Now it says to shake everything but the club soda. And I'm going to use my monkey paw skeleton hand to open it up. So it just said ½ an ounce of club soda. Which doesn't seem like a whole lot. And this, it said to stir it. A little hard with the pebble ice. There we go. And I think you just toss it all in there. And it said to add more ice if need be. And we got pebble ice everywhere. All right. And got me some new fancy little bamboo. All right. Ice. So this is a Sven Tiki. S-V-E-N Tiki. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's got flavors everywhere. The grenadine is very pronounced. The rum kind of blends together. These fruit juices just kind of all blend to me. I guess you got the sweeter orange and pineapple and the tart lime kind of blend. But yeah. That's just this tiki. These are, what I like about them so far is they're not overtly sweet like a lot of these new contemporary ones, but they're not so bitter and very gin forward of the old vintage drinks I've been doing. It's like it's a nice blend. Like you don't feel like you're gonna have a sugar rush after this. You probably will. And some of these have got a lot of alcohol in them, but yeah. All right. I'd like to explore more of these. And that's nice and cold. Yeah, I'll film some of these in the summertime. That'll be better. Well, in the meantime, y'all know what to do. Cheers.